What's up, everybody? Welcome to Sauce and Company, the show where we get in the kitchen, we try new stuff, we do the learning for you, we make the mistakes, so you guys don't have to at home. So Trevor's gonna make a Michelada. A Michelada is a Mexican adult beverage, so all you kids under 21, stay away from this video. Just stop it right now. Don't watch it, don't talk about it, forget about it. But if you are over 21, this is a nice adult beverage to add to your repertoire, okay? So you get tired of coming home, drinking the same old thing after a long day. We got you. That's why we're here, okay? I'm not even gonna talk about it. Let's just get the ingredients going. You can see what it's all about.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my super regular kitchen, just like the one you guys got at home. Anything we're doing in here, you guys are gonna be able to do it just as well, if not better. Now, listen up. Today, we are doing a little bit of a simpler dish for us here at Sauce and Company, a little bit of a light work. You guys saw the ingredients for the Michelada, but just because it's just a simple dish, a simple drink, doesn't mean it's not gonna be just as delicious as anything we've done here before. So let's get right into it. All right, y'all, so the first step that I'm gonna do for the Michelada is kind of an optional one, but I think if you do it, it kind of steps up the level of your Michelada. So we're actually gonna rim our glass with a little bit of chili powder and salt. So it just gives it a little bit of extra flavor when you're actually taking the Michelada. To do that, you need to get some moisture on here, right? You can either lick it or put some water on it. You know, licking is probably not what people want. So we're gonna do it the cool way. Use a little bit of a lime here. All you do is take the rim of the glass and you just kind of brush it a little bit here with the lime. You squeeze it a little bit and you just kind of go all the way around. Make sure the whole rim gets kind of moist. Then what you do is you take this concoction here, and really there's no measurements for it. It's just a bunch of salt and a bunch of tajin or any type of chili powder that you guys want to use. You kind of mix that up, and then you take your glass now with the moistened rim and you just kind of rim the glass. As you can see now, we have a little bit of a crown on the glass now, and it's gonna just make every single sip taste a lot better. The next step, you are going to take your clamato. You can use normal clamato. I like to use the picante one, which means spicy, just because I like spiciness, and really, if it's not spicy, then it doesn't taste good, in my opinion. You guys are gonna notice that I have no measurements for anything in this episode. It's kind of just how I've learned how to make micheladas over my lifetime. You take your glass, you take your clamato. Be careful not to get anything on that rim, or on that salt and chili powder. And you just kind of go, I would say half to a little bit less than half of the glass. So we're gonna start off with this Worcestershire. You know what? I've never really known how to say it. Maybe, hey John, how do you say this, bro?
I don't know how to say it.
All right, so what you're gonna do is just add just a little bit of this. You don't need too much. Some people add a couple dabs, only 2 or 3 dabs, whatever. Not these kind of dabs, but just these kind of dabs. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Now you don't need too much. We're gonna put in chamoy. It goes really well, trust me. It's gonna be really good. All my Latinos know what this is. They put it on fruit and stuff, but you're gonna wanna put in about, I don't know, we'll just hold it here for a couple seconds. That's probably enough. Maybe a splash more. There you go. Next one is just gonna be a little bit of more tajin. We have it on our rim, but we actually want to get it inside of there. So a few dabs of this one. Lastly, we're gonna add our salt. Salt to taste, however much you guys think is good, however much you guys like. Now we're ready to add our beer. It is an alcoholic beverage, so all you under 21ers, please do not do this. For your beer, you're gonna wanna use preferably a Mexican beer and preferably a light beer. I mean light in color. I'm just gonna use Sol, that is what I like. And take the top off, and that felt so cool to do it like that. So now we're gonna pour in just about to the top, not all the way in because we're gonna need a little bit of room for mixing, but so you just fill it in, and it is gonna foam up on you a little bit because of the salt. So we're gonna stop right around there. Last thing that we're gonna do is add some lime to it. Come in here and we just squeeze that lime in there. We're just gonna mix it now and we'll be ready. But you wanna make sure that chamoy and that Worcester and that clamato don't stay at the bottom. By the way, guys, I know it's been a while since you guys have seen me on here, but what do you guys think of this new look without the beard? You guys like it? Comment down below if I should go back to the beard or keep it like this. Oh yeah, that's good. That's really good. But make sure you guys try it. See if it needs a little bit more salt, a little more tajin. And that's pretty much it, y'all. There it is, micheladas. Now we're gonna go serve this up to John, see what he thinks about it. Make sure you guys go check out the review. As always, thank you so much for tuning in, supporting the channel. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'll check you on the next one.
I just want to like walk off into the distance. Just like I got someplace to be. But between you and I don't, so we can go back to the apartment.